Stay group Namaka children. See, this is 12th standard state board maths chapter 8 exercise 8.6 sixth sum. If z of x comma y equal to x tan inverse of xy, x equal to t square and y equal to s e power t, find dou z by dou s. Previously we have seen dy dz by dt or du by dt or dw by dt. That formula is different and this formula is different because here they are asking about the partial dou z by dou s. What is the formula for dz by ds? If it is suppose dz by ds means dz by ds into dou s by dou x. You are doing like this, but here dou z by dou s, the formula is different. See here, dou z by dou s equal to dou z by dou x into dou x by dou s. Dou x get cancelled, the answer become dou z by dou s plus dou z by dou y into dou y by dou s. Okay, is it clear children? D is different and dou is different. Up to 5 sums we are doing D, that is derivative. Here in the 6th sum we are doing partial derivative. Okay, you can see the sum, you can first check it, that is dou or D, then you can use the formula. See here, z of x comma y equal to x tan inverse of xy. So dou z by dou x, partially with respect to x I am doing. Two x terms are there, two terms, in two terms x is there, so you can use it as a product rule, uv formula. What is uv formula? uv dash plus v u dash. So x into v dash, tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x square, 1 by 1 plus, in the place of x square xy value is there, so you can substitute xy the whole square. This part is over. Then xy, differentiation of xy with respect to x you are doing, x become 1 into y because it is in a product, plus v into, what is v? Tan inverse of xy, tan inverse of xy into u dash, x become 1. Is it clear children? See, what is the value for this? What is the value for this? Dou z by dou x. Dou z by dou x equal to xy by 1 plus x square y square, 1 plus x square y square plus tan inverse of xy. Now you move on to dou z by dou y. Dou z by dou y with respect to, partially with respect to y we are doing. See here, x into tan inverse of xy. X is a constant but it comes along with that tan inverse of xy, it is in a product, so you can write as it is x into tan inverse of xy, 1 by, the formula is 1 by 1 plus x square, in the place of x square xy value is there, so you can substitute xy the whole square. With respect to y we are doing, so x into 1. So what is the value for this? X square by 1 plus x square y square. Dou z by dou y equal to x square by 1 plus x square y square. See, yes, what is the value of dou x by dou s? X equal to t square, y equal to s e power t. First you should find out dou x by dou s. with respect to s, partially with respect to x we are doing, but here there is no s term. So it is constant. It become 0. It become 0. Dou y by dou s. Dou y by dou s equal to s become 1 into e power t. S become 1 into e power t. So you substitute everything in the formula. Dou z by dou s equal to dou z by dou x, xy by 1 plus x square y square plus tan inverse of xy, tan inverse of xy into, what is the value of dou x by dou s? 0. Dou x by dou s is 0 plus dou z by dou y is x square by 1 plus x square y square into, what is the value of dou y by dou s? Dou y by dou s is what? E power t. 0 into any number you are getting the value 0. So dou z by dou s equal to x square by 1 plus x square y square into e power t. You can replace the value x and y. What is the value we are getting here? See, dou z by dou s equal to, what is x value? T square. So t square the whole square by 1 plus t square the whole square, because x value is t square. Y square is what? S e power t the whole square. Yes, e power t the whole square into e power t. E power t. See, it is given s equal to, given s equal to t equal to 1. First you simplify this one. Dou z by dou s equal to t power 4 into e power t by t power 4 into e power t by 1 plus t power 4 s square e power 2t, e power t the whole square, e power t the whole square, a power m whole power n equal to a power mn. So it gives what? E power 2t. Now you substitute the value of s equal to 1 and t equal to 1. What is the answer you are getting? 1 power 4 e power 1 by 1 plus 1 power 4 yes 1 square e power 2 into 1, e power 2 into 1. So what is the value of dou z by dou s equal to 1 power 4 is 1, e power 1 is e by 1 plus 1 into 1 e square. 1 into 1 is 1 into e power 2, that is nothing but what? E power 2 into 1 is e power 2. Now you move on to find out the value of what? Dou z by dou t. See, next you should find out the value of dou z by dou t. Dou z by dou t equal to the same thing, dou z by dou x into dou x by dou t plus dou z by dou y into dou y by dou t. Dou z by dou x into dou x by dou t plus dou z by dou y into dou y by dou t. First you should find out the same thing, dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y, the same value you will write. Then you can take it as what? X equal to t square, y equal to s e power t. Dou x by dou t, with respect to t you are doing, what is the answer? 2t. Dou y by dou t, dou y by dou t. So with respect to t you are doing, what is the answer? Yes, e power t. So everything you can substitute in the formula now. So what is the value of dou z by dou x? Dou z by dou t equal to, what is the value of dou z by dou x? Xy by 1 plus x square y square plus tan inverse of xy into, what is the value of dou x by dou t? Dou x by dou t is nothing but what? 2t plus dou z by dou y. Dou z by dou y is, see, x square by 1 plus x square y square into dou y by dou t. Dou y by dou t is nothing but what? S e power t. Now you substitute everything, the value x and y in the given equation. See, in the given form, dou z by dou t equal to, dou z by dou t equal to, what is the value of x? T square. Y is s e power t by 1 plus t square the whole square into s e power t the whole square. S e power t the whole square plus tan inverse of xy, that is t square into s e power t. T square into s e power t into 2t plus the same thing, x square is what? T square the whole square. T square the whole square by 1 plus t square the whole square into s e power t to the e power t the whole square into what? S e power t. S e power t. Now you substitute the value of s equal to 1 and t equal to 1. See, dou z by dou t equal to t square s e power t by 1 plus t power 4 s square e power 2t. S square e power t the whole square is a power m, whole power n is a power mn. So e power 2t plus tan inverse of t square s e power t into 2t plus t power 4 by 1 plus t power 4 into s square e power 2t. S square e power 2t into s e power t. If s equal to t equal to 1, if s equal to t equal to 1, dou z by dou t equal to 1 square 1 into e power 1 by 1 plus 1 power 4 1 square e power 2 into 1. Okay, plus tan inverse of t square 1 square 1 into e power 1 into 2 into 1 plus t power 4 1 power 4 by 1 plus 1 power 4 by 1 plus 1 power 4 1 square into e power 2 into 1. S value is 1 and e power t value is 1. So what is the value for this? See, e by 1 plus e square, because all the values are 1, multiply by 1, you are getting the same value, plus tan inverse of e into 2 plus 1 by 1 plus e square 1 by 1 plus e square into e power 1 is e. So it gives 2e by 1 plus e square 2e by 1 plus e square plus 2 tan inverse of e plus 2 tan inverse of e plus e by 1 plus e square e by 1 plus e square. See, dou z by dou t equal to 1 plus e square 1 plus e square denominator common. So 2e plus e equal to what? 3e by 1 plus e square 3e by 1 plus e square plus 2 tan inverse of e plus 2 tan inverse of e. See the seventh sum. Let u of x comma y equal to e power x sin y, where x equal to t square, y equal to s square t. S comma t belongs to R. Find dou u by dou s and dou u by dou t and evaluate s equal to t equal to 1. First you write down the formula. Dou u by chain rule dou s formula equal to dou u by dou x into dou x by dou s. Same way, plus dou u by dou y into dou y by dou s. First you should find out u of x comma y equal to e power x sin y. E power x sin y. Dou u by dou x, with respect to x we are doing. Okay, so x is the function, y is the constant because partial derivative, but it is in a product, it comes along with that term. E power x differentiation is what? E power x, but sin y is the constant, but it is in a product, so you can write as it is. Sin y. Dou u by dou y. Here y is the function, x is the constant, but it is in a product. Okay, so e power x into what is the differentiation of partial differentiation? Sin y is cos y. So e power x into cos y. Then see, x equal to s t square. Dou x by dou s. Dou x by dou s. X with respect to s. S become 1 t square. So what is the value for this? Dou x by dou s equal to t square. Dou y by dou s. Dou y by dou s. Y equal to, what is the value of y? Y equal to s square t. It become 2s into t because s is the what? With respect to s only we are doing. So x power n formula, n into x power n minus 1, 2 into s t. You substitute in the formula. Dou u by dou s equal to dou u by dou x equal to what? E power x into sin y. E power x into sin y. Dou x by dou s is nothing but what? T square plus e power x into cos y. Dou u by dou y is e power x into cos y. Dou y by dou s is what? 2s t. 2s t. So you can substitute the value of, you can change the value of x and y. So it gives e power, what is the value of x? What is the value of x? Yes, t square. What is the value of x? Yes, t square. Sin, what is the value of y? S square t. S square t into t square plus e power, what is the value of x? x value is what? S t square. Cos y value is what? S square t into 2st into 2st. If s equal to t equal to 1, what is the value of dou u by dou s? What is the value of dou u by dou s? So dou u by dou s, dou u by dou s equal to e power s is 1, t is 1, so e power 1 sin 1 square into 1 into t is what? 1 square plus e power 1 into 1 square cos 1 square into 1 into 2 into 1. 2 into 1. So what is the value for this? Dou u by dou s. Dou u by dou s equal to e sin, what is the value for this? E sin into, because what is the value of y? Y equal to s square t. So e sin of 1 plus e cos of 1 into 2. So you can write 2 here into 2. So you can write 2 here. So you can take it as dou u by dou s. E you can take it as commonly out. What is the remaining thing? Sin of 1 plus 2 cos of 1. Sin of 1 plus 2 cos of 1. Okay. See x equal to, now you should find out the value of dou u by dou t. Dou u by dou x into dou x by dou t plus dou u by dou y into dou y by dou t. X equal to s t square dou x by dou t. Dou x by dou t is nothing but what? With respect to t you are doing s into 2t. So 2st, 2st, y equal to s square t. Y equal to s square t. Dou y by dou t equal to s square into 1. What is the value for this? S square. See, you can substitute in the formula. Dou u by dou t equal to, what is the value of dou u by dou x? Dou u by dou x is what? E power x sin y into dou x by dou t is what? 2st. 2st plus dou u by dou y is what? E power x cos y. E power x cos y into dou y by dou t is nothing but what? S square. S square. So you can take it as, see, e power x, s is common, you can take it out. E power x into s, you can take it out. What is the remaining thing? 2 sin y into t. Or you will write 2t into sin y. Okay. Plus s cos y. Yes, cos y. So if s equal to t equal to 1, if s equal to t equal to 1, evaluate the value. So dou u by dou t at 1 comma 1, that is in the place of s and t. S and t. It gives e power 1 into s. E power, you can substitute the value now. See here, first you can substitute the value x by st square and y by s square t. X by st square and y by s square t. See here, e power, what is the value of x? S t square into s, okay, 2 sin y equal to what? S square t, sin S square t into t, S square t into t plus S cos, what is cos? Y value is what? S square t. So here, see e power s into e power s t square into 2t sin s square t, 2t sin s square t plus s into cos s square t, s into cos s square t, s into cos s square t. Is it clear, children? See here, s into cos s square t. See, if s equal to dou u by dou t at 1, 1. This is s value and this is t value. Substitute here 1 into e power 1 into 1 square, okay, into 2 into 1 sine of 1 square into 1, sine of 1 square into 1 plus you substitute the value of s equal to t and x equal to t and s equal to 1 and t equal to 1. Cos 1 into cos of 1 square into 1. So what is the value we are getting? See here, it gives e power 1 into 2 sine of 1 plus cos of 1. So it gives e into 2 sine 1 plus cos 1. So this is the answer for dou u by dou t.